delicious, tiny little sticks of French dippy cinnamon toasty deliciousness.
Dippy toasty.
Dippy toasty. Little French. Does this guy not know?
Driving with the driving crooner, baby.
Welcome, I'm so pumped you guys are here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make, I've never made them before, but it's basically a variation of French toast. We're gonna do little French toast sticks that are like cinnamon toast, French toast sticks, sausage links, got some fruit. It's gonna be a ton, but we're gonna have a whole lot of fun with it. If this is your first time watching, every time the bell rings, grab something to sip on. It's chilly here in Florida, and this is not coffee.
16 degrees.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Before we get going in preparing our little French toast cinnamon sticks, let's get some sausage links going on our Blackstone. I've got this on like a medium low. I'm gonna take my time on these. I really don't have to rush this. But let's talk about the bread, shall we?
The bread.
The bread. So today I've got some brioche bread. Brioche is, I feel like, the godfather of French toast.
You come here unannounced on the day my daughter is to be married.
Something to note, I actually took this out of the bag to let it dry a little bit because I couldn't find a whole loaf.
Oh.
And I wanted to,
That's clever.
I actually originally wanted to cut my own loaf so I could get a thicker, more beefy stick.
Beefy stick of the bread.
But by drying them out, I feel like it's gonna help me with kind of the integrity, but still being able to be pliable.
Oh, right.
Also, I've gone and caught the sniffles because of this cold winter Florida
people
day.
Make fun of us as Floridians, but 50 degrees in Florida really does feel cold.
Dude, it's the humidity, I think, that like makes it so shockingly cold. So normally I would actually do 1 egg like per
piece of bread. Yeah.
But I'm not gonna be dredging these as heavy as I would normally with like my normal French toast, because I want them to be a little bit more firm and on the cinnamon toast side of a stick.
Attention, your one-handed egg.
Oh, why did you have to say anything? This place is cursed.
Can I address some other attention? Did
Yeah.
you get this pan from the trash can?
Well, what about this? This is not junk, eh?
I'm gonna do a little bit of milk,
Milwaukee.
which is Algonquin for the good land.
I think one of the most interesting aspects of Milwaukee is the fact that it's the only major American city to have ever elected 3 socialist mayors.
And I saw this in the grocery store, and I was going for like a cinnamon stick, cinnamon toast stick anyways.
A little Blackstone Betty special.
Yeah.
Creamer.
We're gonna go,
Oh, wow.
I'm actually gonna go.
Wow. Wow.
Okay now.
Wow.
Okay now.
Oh man, I feel like wow.
Exactly. And last but not least, you can't get this anymore, so I'm using an ingredient you literally can't find, but it's basically a fun
Cinnamon sugar.
mixture of cinnamon and sugar. So,
Whoa.
yeah.
Okay.
Dude, this is not like...
For the faint of heart.
Not for the faint of heart. And it's not really like a... I wouldn't say it's like a healthy breakfast by any means.
I don't know.
But...
Do you ever make anything healthy?
You know what?
Wow, Ethan. Man, he's swinging for the fences today.
He's also kind of not wrong, but I'll let it slide this time. Okay, so our dredge is ready. Our Judge
Dredge, that's what you said. I get it.
Now
I get it now.
Okay, now you're with
Yep.
me. I think that's ready, but before we get to this, let's find our sausages over here. Let's get these guys off.
How long on them sausages?
It was like
I
2
couldn't-
minutes, but actually, it was like
5 minutes
10
ago.
minutes or so.
It was 2 minutes, 5 minutes ago.
Which is nice. You're not in a rush. The sausages don't need to be in a rush. Let them take their time. All right. Okay. All right.
Did we
You know
talk
what?
about this? Were those the maple ones?
These are just traditional.
I'm a sucker for the maple
It's a
ones.
traditional pre-fight donut.
Traditional pre-fight donut. Yeah.
You know what I think we need to do?
What?
Let's get some butter.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on over here.
Ooh,
Today I'm
into
using
the sausage fat.
I'm doing sausage fat and a little unsalted butter. There's some controversy
On what?
in the world where people think, oh, you've got to use salted butter.
No. Then you can't control the salt content.
Oh, yeah, let's go over here. Now, normally...
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
The whole thing's coming over.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
Ethan, will you...
I saw that coming, dude. I saw that coming.
He's got it like he's smoking cigarettes and watching Captain Kangaroo. Now, I'm going to do a quick dredge. This is not... again, with French toast, I would normally like just sit there and let it soak for a minute.
No soaking.
No soaking. And whoop, then down we go.
Okay.
Yeah, quickly. Now, if these are like the sticks, I would say they're for kids, but anybody ever have a brunch?
Yeah.
When's the last time you
brunch.
had a brunch?
I enjoy brunch regularly.
You are such a liar.
That's true.
Liar! Liar!
Get back, witch!
I'm not a witch, I'm your wife.
Turn this up just a little bit, and that looks great.
Nice.
Speaking of great, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that India has more than half of the world's population of tigers?
I
No.
actually was unaware of that.
I was unaware of that.
Andy, were you aware of that?
Nope.
Nate, were you aware of that?
Totally.
I was unaware of that. Wow.
Wow, that was it?
Do you want another tiger fact or something?
I don't know. Have you
Obviously.
know?
Did you know their stripes are like human fingerprints and you can identify them because their stripe pattern is... Ooh, I'm falling.
Like,
Their stripe pattern is different
Yeah,
for each one.
Wow, that's actually
You mean
pretty
unique?
Cool. Unique.
I'm actually surprised you had another one on the hand. So,
Awesome.
Can we go 3 for 3? Is there another one?
They only eat like one meal a week.
okay.
All right.
That was good.
Cheers to
Cheers
tigers.
to 3 little
El Tigre.
little nibs of gold right there. All these are looking fantastic. Give them a few minutes because you do want to make sure that egg gets cooked through, and you do want that texture. That's
It
what you're
wasn't too
looking
much
for.
egg though. Like they're not floppy.
Nope, 0. Well, actually, there might be some flop, but anyway, they're looking good. Let's get our sausage over here. Let's get all of those little sticks onto the board and plating. Now, I'm
These
not
look
real
gorgeous,
sure
dude.
what to do here.
They look beautiful.
Let's get a plate and pile them, just like a mound.
Maybe it's like a family style brunch.
Yes. So let's just pile them up on one side, and the sausages, let's just flop them. Yep, there's a flop.
The old
The old sausage flop. And then, of course, we've got our berries over there. Now, this is the fun part. Let's let it actually start to snow on these little French toast, cinnamon toast French toast sticks. And we've got a dipper here because you got to have some syrup. Dude, I'm like...
berries and cream, berries and cream. What is that from?
I don't know.
More little letters of berries and cream.
But all I know is I'm really ready to eat.
Yeah, I guess so.
So let's get this guy here. Yeah,
Yeah, look at
actually,
the integrity.
Integrity.
Hang on, let me get my focus.
No
Quit moving.
Okay, sorry.
Stop moving.
0 floppage.
I didn't-
bite,
no
everyone
focus.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. Look at the undercarriage on this guy right here. Let's give it a little taste.
The Dave Portnoy reference.
Portland, come hang out.
Oh, 7-8.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah,
Oh yeah, bro. These are crazy good. Paired up with some sausage.
I like that you cooked them in butter and sausage fat. That was pretty cool.
Thank you, sir. This is a winner. If you're into the brunch scene, which apparently there's a whole scene, this is a really fun one. Don't do what I did though and serve it with cold syrup. Make sure you warm up your syrup.
Pro move right there.
Pro move right there. Let me know how I did in the comments below. If you would try this. Actually, this is a good one for kids. They'll love it. But so does Andy. He's really dying to get into these. Speaking of comments, it's that time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad that you guys stuck around, especially after this delightful little meal, this little brunch that we've had right over here. So starting from the top in no particular order, this is where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. Because if you guys write it,
we reads it.
That's right, here we go. This one is from, this is from Roxanne Frazier.
Roxanne!
You did that last time, and you still don't have to put on the red light. Roxanne says, Ethan's looking good in his snakeskin shirt. He must have a girlfriend.
Is that in reference to the
snaky shirt?
Sneaky
shirt.
Snake. Okay.
He does have a girlfriend, Mom, somehow.
To Ethan. Being sneaky.
There's hope for Ethan. There's hope for you. You know who I'm talking about.
No, I have a hormone disorder! Ooh.
All right, this next one comes in from Esty Stevenson.
Okay.
Esty says, Ethan, you're dressed like you don't have a girlfriend. I did not plan this. I swear to God, I just screenshot, and that was freaking gold. Esty, sorry, honey.
She's lovely.
Oh.
Steve.
You got burnt. You know what that is?
What?
You know who's in charge of the bell? The freaking snake shirt.
The tiger
Lion, tiger king over here, and he gave you no ringage.
There we see.
Whoa! I got you.
There's a bell ringing in our heart. All right, this is from a new subscriber. This one's from
right on.
F1 RS Do. First one do. I don't know.
These are really good.
Thank you. First one do says new subscriber.
These are really good.
Thank you. Lots of ADD randomness, but food will get me every time. Buffet is my body type.
Oh dang,
God,
pretty good.
That's awesome.
That's a good line.
So first to feast, first do.
Jeez.
You're number one in our hearts.
I love you.
All right, this next one comes in from Thomas Jefferson. Thomas says,
wait, the president?
Yeah.
The founding father?
Yeah. He's
Wow.
back.
Thomas Jefferson.
He's back.
Oh, Tommy.
He's back. He says, as I recall, these fellows wouldn't last long down in Bruce County, or country. Send them to the swamp, alone for a week. Hey, Thomas.
I'm into it. I'll do it.
We have, and we did.
And we do.
And we do.
So take that, Tommy J.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. Disrespecting the founding father.
Wow.
Dude, kiss your mother with that mouth.
You've gone mental. I'm getting out of here, Damien.
Fine, then go.
I'm gone.
Go then.
I am.
Go.
And that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. So glad that you guys showed up and hung out with us. These French toast, cinnamon toast sticks, they're winners. Obviously, as you can see, the boys have been coming in and munching. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Also, if you've got something that you want to put up on the old OG board over here, slide up into my DMs. I'll give you an address. And if you didn't know it, this is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
And we quote.
That's correct. We will see you guys on the next brunch series.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ.